Good morning, you guys. Welcome to Colorado, day 2. We're out here. There's actually a cliff right behind me. This goes about 100 feet down. We're in a valley right now. We decided to camp right over there. Yeah, so today we're pretty much just gonna pack up camp. We're gonna leave the bulk of our stuff here, but pack up rooftop tent, all that kind of stuff. We're gonna go ahead and go down to town. We're gonna get more supplies. And I think today we're gonna hit some fishing spots, do a lot of just adventuring, maybe some hiking around. I don't know, I may hop on my bike, I'm not sure yet. If you guys are new to this channel, go ahead and go down there, click that subscribe button, that'd be great. Hit that notification bell, really helps us out. Leave a comment, have some stuff that you would like to see us do, that'd be awesome. But welcome. Little prairie chicken.
Well, I was gonna walk upstream, but there's a dam right here. So I think I'm gonna go ahead and turn around, walk down, see if I can find anything down there. The reason why you really don't want to fish one of these is because actually whenever the beavers build these dams, they also have huts in there that they sleep in. Well, what do those beavers eat, right? They're actually gonna eat the trout that are in there. So you can find some, but the majority of them are gonna be smaller because they get caught up in there. They live their entire lives there until a beaver gets them. So really going downstream, trying to find another source of still water, it's gonna be the move. So let's get to it.
All right, you guys, gonna go ahead and end it there. Had a great day, beautiful time in Colorado. Tomorrow we're gonna head to Pagosa Springs. Then after that, we're headed to Durango. We have a lot of fun stuff coming y'all's way. So I'll catch you guys tomorrow.